Welcome Primary 4, with you is Miss Noura Abdurrahman, and today we are going to talk about lesson number 2 from unit number 2, the electricity. Let's start part number 1. Are you ready? Let's go! Sometimes when you are meeting your friend and you are shaking hands, you can feel some electricity come from his hand to your hand. Do you know what's that called? This is called static electricity. There is two types of electricity: static electricity and current electricity. What is the static electricity? The static electricity, when the electric charges. What is the meaning of electric charges? Electric charges means the small parts inside the electricity. The small parts inside the electricity called electric charges. So when the electric charges remain or stay, remains mean stay on the object, this object have an electric charges. When this boy come and touch the object, he get an electric shock because the static electricity moved to his hand. So this is called static electricity. What is the static electricity again? When the electric charges remain on the object. When the electric charges remain on the object, called static electricity. What about the current electricity? The current electricity, it is the electricity which we know. When the electric charges flow. What's the meaning of flow? Move. When the electric charges move through wires. We have this battery, and this battery have an electric charges inside it. The electric charges will flow or move through the wires until it's coming to the lamp, so the lamp will light. This is the current electricity. So again, what is the current electricity? It is when the electric charges flow through the wires. When the electric charges flow through the wires. Let's talk now about the static electricity. The static electricity, it is a type of electricity that is formed from the electric charges that remain on the object. Again, what is the static electricity? When the electric charges remain on the object. Let's take another example. There is a electric charges inside this carpet. When this boy walking on the carpet, he is taking the electric charges from the carpet. After that, he is going to shake her friend's hand, so she will get a electric shock. Why? Because the static electricity that he is take from the carpet, he is give it to the girl. So this is called the static electricity. So again, what is the static electricity? It is when the electric charges remain on the object. When the electric charges remain on the object. And that's what happened when we are touching our friends or touching our family and we are feeling an electric shock. Let's take an experiment. We are need now a balloon and sugar. Blow the balloon and tie the opening of the balloon by a thread. After that, rub the balloon by a piece of wool. So rub this balloon with a piece of wool. This is the wool. After that, put the balloon close to the sugar. What will happen? The powdered sugar is attracted to the balloon. Let's see in the picture. Yes, the powdered sugar here is attracted to the balloon. Why that's happened? Because when we are rubbing the balloon by the piece of wool, there is an electric charges formed on the surface of the balloon. So it is attracted the sugar. Again, when we are rubbing the balloon by a piece of wool, the electric charges are formed on the surface of the balloon and attracted the sugar. This is the static electricity. We have another experiment. We need a ruler and small pieces of papers. Number 1. Put the plastic ruler close to the small bites of paper. Let's see what will happen. Oh no, nothing happened. The small bites not attracted to the ruler. Let's do it again. Number 2. Rub the plastic ruler by your hair. Rub the plastic ruler by your hair several times and then put the plastic ruler close to the small bites of paper. What will happen? The small bites of paper attracted to the ruler. So why that's happened? Why that's happened? Before rubbing the ruler, there are no electric charges formed on the ruler. That's why it didn't attract the paper pieces. But after rubbing the ruler, the electric charges formed on the ruler and attracts the paper bites. So the static electricity generated or happened when we are rubbing the objects together. Now let's take some phenomena related to the static electricity. Number 1. The vision of light in the sky. Sometimes you see the lightning in the sky. This is the lightning. How this lightning happened? When we have two clouds and the both of clouds have electric charges inside it or static electricity inside it and they are meet together and touch each other, what will happen? The electric shock or the lightning. This is the lightning happened because there is a two clouds full with electric charges touch each other. So the lightning happened because the static electricity. Number 2. When your hair is standing during combing it by the plastic comb. When you are combing your hair and you see your hair is standing. Why? Because when you are rubbing your hair with a comb, the electric charges formed on the comb and make your hair attracted to the comb. So the standing of your hair is also because the static electricity. Number 3. When you are hear a sound on take off the clothes. The formation of electric charges when the parts of your body are rubbing the clothes make an static electricity. That's why you can hear this sound. So this is the phenomena related to the static electricity. Now let's see a video together about static electricity. With you was Miss Noura Abdurrahman. Thank you for listening.